So you guys, this past weekend was a success. Everybody loved the yard. I got the yard together. If you guys seen the other video and saw what I was getting it together, doing things the right way, just to impress the guests, make sure it looks good. Well, you guys, everybody enjoyed the yard. And as you guys can see, today's a sunny day and the yard is looking good. So now I need to start thinking about going forward. The temps are gonna start rising. It's gonna start getting warm. I'm here in the Northeast, so we're a little behind you guys. I know a lot of you guys that are in the South, you're already experiencing 80, 90 degrees, even some 100-degree weather. Right now, my weather is about 70 degrees with some highs of 80s, but then it's still dropping back down 60s, 50s at night. So now a lot of you guys have been asking me, what can we do about the weather and keeping the lawn green or keeping it moist, keeping it watered? Well, I got a product that I used last year, you guys, by Bioadvanced. It's the Lawn Root Moisturizer. Now, I used this product last year for the first time because I always used to get burned out in the back no matter what I did. I used to come out, put my water down, still was watering deep 2 times a week, but for some reason I could not keep that back, like that back by the back fence, from burning out. It used to always burn out over there, and then it used to burn out in the back corner over here. For some reason, it just would not stop. I don't know why, but when I tried this Lawn Root Moisturizer, you guys, now it's like a Hydrotain alternative. So I was looking around. Only reason I went with the Bioadvanced because it was located in my local big box store. I actually bought it at Ace Hardware, but I believe Home Depot also carried it too. I bought it at Ace Hardware for about 25 to 30 bucks, you guys. Now, a lot of you guys saw that video and said, hold up, you paying a little bit too much. So you guys suggested this store called Ollie's, and you said they carry this product in Ollie's for about 4 to 5 bucks. And as you guys can see, I paid $4.99. I never knew anything about a store called Ollie's. I didn't even know we had one. So when I did a little research after you guys said it, I seen that we had one. I shot right over there. I seen that these was on the shelf for $4.99. I was like, dang, you guys saving me some money. That's what I like, baby. So I like saving money. So now this year, $4.99 for the Bioadvanced. You guys, I believe they carry it at Amazon too. I believe it's on sale for about 15 bucks right now, also on Amazon. So whatever way you get this product, you guys can save yourself some money. It's a Hydrotain alternative. I believe Hydrotain right now is like 35, 40 bucks for the bottle, and other products like it, like 45, 50 bucks. But right now you can't beat this deal for $4.99 at Ollie's. Hey, I went and bought me a couple bottles. Now, this Lawn Root Moisturizer is gonna help reduce watering by 50%, you guys. So you're still gonna have to water your lawn. I told you that last year if you saw that video. You're still gonna have to water your lawn, but it's gonna help hold more of that water. Now, I know a lot of you guys said you can do the same thing with Dawn dishwashing soap or Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, and that's kind of true and false, because Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo and Dawn dishwashing soap is pretty much like a surfactant. So it does help water get into the soil, but it's not going to help hold that water. See, the Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo and the Dawn dishwashing soap are used as a surfactant. So if you have hydrophobic soil, that's all it does is open up your soil when you pour that stuff on there. So if you'll know if you have hydrophobic soil, you guys, if you go out, pour water on the soil and it puddles up, then yeah, your soil is hydrophobic, it's not receiving the water. But these products here, Hydrotain, Bioadvanced, they have other amendments inside the soil, and this one has humectants. Humectant is a water retainer, moisture retainer. So it also has a surfactant inside the bottle to help break that surface tension, like I said, but now it has a humectant inside that's gonna draw in that moisture. So a lot more of that moisture or water that you guys are like putting on the lawn from irrigation or rain or even the morning dew is gonna be sucked in by your plant. That's what the humectant is gonna do. So that's why you guys will use something like this. It's gonna hold more moisture, so you have to water less. You're still gonna have to water, but you water less. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use the product. We go over it. It's very basic, you guys. Simple, back tab. You just peel it right here. Got all your directions on the back here. So it's a very basic product, you guys. It just shows you how to use it. You're gonna have to water this product in 1 to 2 hours after spraying it on your lawn. About 1/4 to 1/2 inch of water, you guys, and you'll be all set. So you can spray it before you have like some kind of rain coming or something like that. You get out, water the yard with this product here, and let the rain water it in for you. So I'm not gonna go too in depth. You guys can check out the last video from last year. I did a full review, but I'm gonna show you guys how to get this down in the yard and wrap the video up. So stay tuned. Only thing you need is a long enough water hose. Now make sure you can go ahead and stretch your water hose out before starting the product. You don't want kinks in it. It becomes a headache. But only thing you need to do with this product here is besides just shake it up. That's all you want to do, shake it up. You don't need to add anything. You don't need to mix anything. Just shake it up. These are ready to spray products, you guys. Only thing you got to do, have a long enough water hose, hook it up to your water hose, and you're ready to spray. You're going to hook it up to the water hose like this. There you have it. It's connected to the water hose and it has a little safety tab here. Just take it right out. Simple as that. You can save it if you want to hook it back up, or you can get rid of it. But only thing I suggest, starting at your back first and then walk your way back to your platform so you do not walk in the product after spraying. But that's pretty much it. Let's get this product down. All right, you guys, so you're just gonna go ahead and start spraying. So I like to start at the back, like I said. Just gonna hit the little tab, turn it on. And this is pretty much it. Now when you guys are spraying, you're just gonna go ahead in a little sweeping motion, back and forth, just like this. Very simple. Now the product looks white on the lawn. I'll give you guys a little close up. But if you guys also have dry spots already currently in the lawn, hit those spots a little heavier with this product. And then, like I said, once you water it in, everything should be fine. And your grass should start popping back in or staying green longer. But you're just gonna go ahead, sweeping motion. Very simple. Now this one bottle will cover up to 5,000 square feet. My backyard is 2,500 total. So I should have half the bottle left after spraying fully. Also, this product is supposed to stay in the lawn for about 3 months. I don't really know how long or true that is, because last year when I used the product, I used it around July. So I only had a month worth of this product, and then I was doing a renovation on the lawn. But I'm starting early this year in May, so we'll see how long it actually lasts, or if I need to do a second treatment. But like I said, you guys, very simple. Just gonna start spraying. Now you just want to hit those other areas. And you don't have no problem spreading this stuff. It sticks on the lawn. It's pretty thick looking. So as you guys can see, I'm just working my way, spraying and working my way back to the platform. Very basic, very simple. So this stops you from walking in your own product and tracking it inside the house or anything of that nature. Even though it says that it's safe for pets and people, but you still don't want to track this inside the house. You don't want to track any type of chemicals in the house. And also, I wouldn't spray this on vegetables if you guys are actually growing plants, like food-based stuff, vegetables, or doing a little garden or anything like that. I wouldn't spray this on this either. I would find something else. Even though it says people and pet friendly, you don't want to consume any of this. So this stuff is strictly outdoors. If you got flowers, plants, your lawn, anything of that nature, any food products, nah, not for me. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this product helped you out in any way if you guys are using it, or if you choose to use something different. But I'm showing you how to keep your yard nice and green and moisturized through the summer heat. I know it gets hard, it's a struggle. I don't have no fancy irrigation system. I put my little water sprinkler out, let it do its thing, and that's it. I call it a day. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate you guys for supporting and giving me tips as I'm giving you guys tips. This is what the community is all about. We share tips and we keep our yard nice and green and looking good. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave any comments you have in the comment section also. I reply to everybody. So if you need any help or anything of that nature, I'm working on putting an email address up there. You guys want to email me some pictures or ask questions that way too, you guys can. So I'm working on putting the email up there also. So hope you guys enjoy, take care, and I'll see you again.